Our structures are built with high-quality galvanized steel. First, the ground floor walls are erected, followed by partition floor, first floor walls, and roof. The roof is insulated by hard insulation, a damp-proof membrane is applied, and the support battens for the roof sheetings are fixed. The roof sheeting can be steel or ceramic tiles. The exterior side of the structure is covered by OSB, which is fixed by mechanical fasteners. The exterior walls are insulated by hard insulation, glued with polyurethane foam. As final finish, plaster reinforced with fiberglass is applied. Water, heating, and sewage systems are installed inside the interior walls of the building. The cables of the electric installation are easily pulled through the structure at the desired location of sockets and light fixtures. Windows and door frames can be made of wood, aluminum, or PVC at customer's choice. Precise openings in the steel structure allows easy installation and efficient operation without any other necessary adjustment. Walls are filled with mineral wool and covered with gypsum boards which are fixed to the structure, specially modulated for this. The floors are soundproofed and insulated by hard insulation, on top of which a screed of sand and cement mixture is laid. On top of this, ceramic tiles or wooden finish can be applied. Get high quality finishes for low prices, thanks to the advantages brought by the perfectly modulated steel structure. Build houses with Rotarex structures, the leading technology on the market available today.